Good day from Spain. As you can see, guys, we are here in a famous statue in Spain, El Toro de Osborne, in Torreblanca, Fuengirola. So it's actually 17 meters high and made of steel. It was actually originally made from wood, but in 1950s they made it in steel, in metal, and it's on top of the hill in this beautiful scenery. So now today is, let's see, all right guys, today is it's December 21st, and the weather is perfect. I'm in t-shirt, not cold at all. The weather is now, let's see, let's see, the weather is 18 degrees. I don't know if you can see it, but it's 18 degrees and it's sunny here in the middle of December. So today is yeah, so I think definitely one of the cool places to visit, and it has also like really nice hiking trails that you can find in Google. Just search it for El Toro de Osborne in Fuengirola. So yeah guys, I wanted to show you amazing place. Like the view here is like fantastic. So if you're here, definitely check out this. It has even the balls also, you can see, and here is the view. I can show you a little bit of the view at the so this is actually Torreblanca. Torreblanca is the city, but it's in Fuengirola, like 2 stations from here and you get to Fuengirola. Very cool. Welcome to sunny Torreblanca. Let me show you how it is here in December. Today is 21st, December 21st, and it's sunny. Let's see, it's probably plus 18 degrees. Let me check. Yep. So as you can see, it's 18 degrees in the sunny Torreblanca. It's I'm not sure if the water is cold, but I'm not gonna go to swim today. And yeah, so I have just come back from, I've been in up in the El Toro, the famous, well, the water actually doesn't feel too cold. Like It's a bit cold, but I think it's okay to swim for me, because I'm coming from Finland, and Finland is at the moment, I show you the picture now, how does it look like at the moment. So yeah, very cool. So it's quite sunny, and there's not much people here. It's my vacation, and my first time in Torreblanca of Spain, and I love it. I love it here. It's sunny, warm, people are cool, chill. The food is good, but I need to try some churros, and right, this is local conos, saber bacon and queso, bacon and cheese. Let's try local. So yeah, I went to local Torreblanca supermarket, and I bought Pepsi, water, some dark chocolate, and it's all plus this one, and it all costed me €7.45. So it actually was quite cheap. Here you can see. Yeah, so let's try this. It's bacon queso. Yeah, tastes good. €1.40. Bacon. Oh. Yeah, it actually tastes quite good. All right. See. Ah, beautiful, beautiful beach. It's empty. If I would be living here, I would be every day. So here, this says Fuengirola. Very, it smells like salty sea. Very nice. And I have my small snacks. So I'm going to train station to catch a train to Malaga, where is my Airbnb. I'm staying in Airbnb in Malaga, and I can show you later the video how it looks. And what 27 euro can get you in per night in Malaga. It's actually very I booked it Airbnb, and it was the close to airport Malaga, close to the center. It's only like 10 minutes on the bus, or you can walk 30 minutes. It's like very close. But yeah, so that's my small video from Torreblanca in Fuengirola. It's the city where is this the black statue of the bull in the upper. So I guess this whole area is packed with people when in summer it's like 35 degrees or something, but for me it feels like perfect. 18 degrees, perfect, because I'm used to really cold weather. I'm coming from Finland, and Finland is like 20 degrees. It's like summer. That feels like summer right now. I guess it'd be too hot, but yeah, very big and red hair. There is in summer, but now there is nobody, but you can rent a chair here, and I think there is hotels also like this here or there. I'm not sure, but I like it here. It's small. It's more relaxed than Malaga. Malaga is like a busy city. It's like big city, touristy. Here it's more touristy also, but it's quiet. It's nice. I love it. First time. So if you're from here, have been here, so maybe write in the comments what did you like here, or maybe did you. I haven't been yet, but if you have been here, so write down like. And what country you're coming from also, so I can know. But yeah, it's awesome.